heading out to go camping for the long weekend, going past Campbell River to Strathcona area. Hopefully we're gonna get spots at the campground that we want, so we'll find out. All right, hopefully we are gonna get spots. Just pulling into the campground now. Whoa, look at those mountains over there. Gorgeous. Success. Look at this campground. You can see the lake over there. It's actually a group site, which is perfect because we needed 2 sites for our group. So even better, a group site for us. So a little bit about exactly what we're getting up to here. So yeah, camping at Strathcona Park. So there's a couple different ways that you can enter Strathcona Park. There's going up Mount Washington Way. So definitely not doing that right now because it's springtime. It's still covered in snow up there at like Forbidden Plateau area. So yeah, when you go past Campbell River and head down Highway 28, you go down Campbell Lake and then it eventually connects to Buttle Lake. Anyway, so we have a nice camp spot kind of at the beginning of Strathcona Park, and then just doing a bunch of adventures along the way, like further down Buttle Lake, checking out a couple different waterfalls, and heading slightly towards Gold River as well. There's other waterfalls that way too. Lots of adventures out here, lots of rec sites, like tons of places to go camping. So like the first camp spot I had in mind, I'm glad that we got because it was just easier for everybody to get to. But if we didn't get this one, like we would have had plenty of options. So that's what's really nice about camping out this way, is there is just so many options and there's a lot of first come first serve. So, which is nice, so that you can, you can kind of just be spontaneous with your plans. This is a great area of the island to be doing that. I know the rec site that we're staying at, in the summertime, it would have for sure been full this weekend. Even for the April long weekend, I got like one of the last spots. So yeah, but the further north you go and the further like on the back roads, yeah, you can always find camping up here, which is nice. All right, here's the lake. Such a beautiful day out. It's actually really hot. I believe it's 18 degrees out right now, which is, yeah, 18 degrees Celsius, which is quite warm for April. On the kayak, first kayak of the season. Perfect day for it. It's so hot out. Yeah! I'm so happy right now. Whoa. So beautiful here.
Wait.
Hey.
Ooh.
I love downloading like YouTube videos or, you know, like a Netflix show and watching it in my SUV. It's my new favorite thing while camping. Good morning. It's another beautiful day. Time to go make some coffee. Yay. We're going on a walk trying to find the trestle bridge. All right. Yesterday I kayaked under this. Now let's walk over it. So beautiful here. Now we were off to drive further into Strathcona Park and check out a few different waterfalls. Just driving in this park is a beautiful adventure in itself. To Lady Falls we go. Robert's gonna find a lady. There's my crew. Heading down to Myra Falls. Woo! And that pretty much wraps up the camping weekend. It was such a gorgeous long weekend in Strathcona Park, and I can't wait for more adventures there, especially when the snow melts on the mountains and I can get on some more hikes. If you want to follow along on the adventures that I get up to, please like and subscribe.